Hello, this is C-Pro Direct and we'd like to show you how to fit the night ADM to a night sandal. This is the night sandal and this is the ADM that goes with it. With regards to the sandal, it has a couple of straps. Some sandals may have more straps depending on the size. Now, because the ADM is a dynamic brace, the foot is going to move. It's going to abduct and it's going to dorsiflex, and we don't want the sandal to impede that. So it's important that this strap and this strap are not done up too tightly so that the foot has a full range of motion. A way of checking is to be able to see if you can run your fingertip underneath the strap. If you can, that's good. If you can't, it's too tight, and if you can get your whole finger under the strap, then it's too loose. You can imagine that if this strap was done up very tight and then the foot abducts, it's only going to pull on that strap and make it even tighter and possibly cause redness and sores. So just make sure that those two straps are not too tight. You can see where the position of the heel is through the heel window at the back. We would expect the heel to be down if the foot is corrected. You may find that the heel moves slightly while the child is wearing the brace, but that's perfectly normal. As the foot dorsiflexes and abducts, we would expect the heel to move slightly as well. So once the sandal has been fitted, it's time to fit the ADM. When we fit the ADM, we click it in at the back of the sandal here, and we leave it to the side of the leg. It's a good idea just to keep the straps in this position so that they don't attach to the socks or get in the way while you're attaching the ADM to the sandal. So we attach like so, clicks into the bottom of the sandal. You should hear a couple of clicks. And then we gently bring the ADM around the back of the leg like so. At this point, I would take the straps and thread them through the loops. This is in preparation for actually doing the ADM up later on. The ADM isn't ready to do up at the moment, and I'll show you why. You can see that the straps of the ADM are overlapping with the sandal here and at the side, and also the ADM is overlapping the sandal at the back. And when there's overlapping, that means that the ADM is pushing down on the sandal, and you can get redness or sores where the straps are being pushed down into the ankle bone or down onto these straps. So we need to make sure that there is no overlapping, and the way we do that is we push the spring out of the way. This also has the effect of moving the spring away from the ankle bone. So this is called engaging the spring. We push the spring upwards and backwards like so, and you can see that from the back. When we push it, the leg attachment goes upwards further away from the sandal so that there's no overlap. So we do that with the spring, and then with the other hand, we bring the leg attachment in close to the leg so that we have a nice close fit. Then we can let go with this hand and do these straps up. If you do find any overlapping, you should just be able to adjust them, the straps out of the way, but there's no overlapping now on this one. It's all nice and the ADM is completely clear from the sandal. And just to show you now what the ADM can do, so it has springs. These are quite light springs, but you can see that if I let go, the springs move the foot into an inverted position. And that's how you fit an ADM to an AFO sandal.